Hello everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic time today. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you how to unify the skin tones in your photos. You see here, the face has a more desaturated color than the rest of the body, so we need to even that out. First thing we need to do is create a gradient map layer adjustment. Set the opacity to 0%, then click on the adjustment layer, and now click on the gradient editor. And here you see there's this slider. Towards the left there's the shadows area, and towards the right there's the highlights. So the gradient goes from the darkest point to the brightest. Now I'm going to click on the darker color and pick one of the darkest areas on the face. And I will choose one right here and then press OK. Now I will pick the highlights area and click on color. And here we will do the same as earlier, but this time we will pick the light area of the face and press OK. And as you can see now, our gradient starts from the darkest tone of the face and ends at the brightest tone. And we will set the opacity to about 40% just for now, doesn't really matter really for now. And then we will invert the mask by pressing Ctrl on Windows and Command on a Mac, Ctrl I. And then we will click on the mask and grab the brush tool and make sure that the color here is set to white. We are now going to brush back and forth over the body area until we cover it all. And now a very important step of this method is to set the blending mode to color. And now we are done, and the only thing that's left to do really is to play with the opacity slider here until you find the point where the skin tone is matched with the one of the face. And in my case, it's about here, about 60%. Now here is the before, this is the after. Before, after. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. And if you did, like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting more videos like this very soon.